Only 34 students. Okay, we will continue. Actually, what I thought means if classes will start from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I want to start the line inclined to both the planes. Whenever you want to observe clearly, if you want to get the points, means manually, if you observe, means manual nothing but it's physically, if you are present in the class, if you observe the movements of the line, easily you can guess it. Okay. Now I am saying something, but your imagination is something. Okay.
Sir, up
But
to 12 we have online classes only now, sir.
that's why that is a problem. But whatever it is, you have to continue like this up to 12. Maybe after 12, you will get the this one mm, exams. After 12th,
Sir, any information about exams, sir?
till now we don't have any information. But whenever it is open, they will give 2 days gap only. Suppose if it is 12th means 13th and 14th, they will conduct regular classes or revision classes. Next, 15th onwards they will start. If it is open, means maybe 10th or 12th they will 10th or 11th they will finalize. They will send a revised timetable. Okay. Anyway, we have to continue our topics. But for your exams, you will get 2.5 units only. First unit, totally two-dimensional objects. Okay. Two-dimensional object, I think already posted in your classroom group. In a second unit, projection of lines, sorry, projection of, not projection, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. I didn't given any questions from that, but procedure will be same. If it is possible, today I will upload. Okay, that is our second unit. Third unit is our projection of points and lines. Next, planes after midterm. In the lines also we have three conditions. Line parallel to means the projection of points one topic, projection of lines simple conditions one topic, and line inclined to both one topic. Total three topics we have in a third unit. In the third unit, that too half of the portion. Remaining half projection of planes. Okay, that is after midterm means for the second midterm you will get that. Now, if you observe here, projection of points, we have two conditions already you know that. Okay, one is the point is lies in the first quadrant. Suppose here this is your first quadrant. The point is somewhere here. That is point A. If it is point B is in second quadrant, means somewhere here like this. Okay, point B is here. Next, same point C is in a third quadrant. Point is somewhere here. C point. Now fourth quadrant means here D point. Okay. Already you know that this is horizontal plane. This is vertical plane. Okay. But in this points case, we have first condition is like this. Point is first, second, third, and fourth. How they will define this point? With respect to HP, some height. With respect to VP, with respect to VP, some distance. Like that they will give. Already we solved some problems based on this. Second condition is point is on the HP. So this is A1. Point is on the HP or point is on the VP A2. These conditions I am giving. Here only two conditions we have. Point is in the quadrant system. It may be first, second, third, and fourth. Second condition is point is on the HP on the VP. Okay, that condition. Next, third condition is point is on both reference plane. Somewhere here. Point is on both reference plane. Now I am showing with the capital letters. That is our imaginary. Okay. Always you have to show the points. Our imaginary points are original object with the capital letters. Our projections with a small letter. This A2 is not my projection. Just I am giving condition here. This capital A2 is not my projection. This is the condition. Capital A is the condition. How we will define this condition? Above HP in front of VP. Point A2 also one condition. How you will define this A2 with respect to HP VP means above HP in the VP. Okay. Next here A1 is A1 point, capital A1 point. How you will define means point is on the HP in front of VP. This is in front of VP. This is above HP. Now A3, capital A3 point, that is also one condition. How will you define that condition? The point A3 is belongs to both reference planes. Okay. For the first condition, you will get the front view somewhere here above and below. Means first angle projection means always you will get vertical plane above, horizontal plane below. Okay. For the first condition, this is the answer. First condition. A dash means here you will get with some height with the HP with some distance from the VP. A dash and A. This is first condition. Second condition, suppose this is A1. Where is the A1? A1 is on the HP. If it is on the HP, if you see this A1, capital A1 point from the front view direction, this shadow or image falls on the XY line. Means your A dash came here and A will be as it is. Okay. Next, third condition, capital A2. Capital A2 is, it is in the VP. Means you will get A dash in the front view. Top view, if you observe top view, where you will get this top view? Exactly on XY line, nothing but A. This is your A. Okay. Next, fourth condition, nothing but point A is lies in the both quadrants, means on the reference plane. These on the reference axis, reference line. Okay, on XY line. Means for the fourth condition, A dash also here and A also here. Now if you observe carefully, now the point is belongs to first quadrant only, but see the differences based on the case or conditions. Whenever it is above HP in front of VP, definitely you will get some height above HP in front of VP. Suppose whenever it is on the HP, front view comes on XY line. Now see this A dash is somewhere here in the first condition with suppose 20 mm. Now this 20 mm is not there. Why? Because the A1 is on the HP. It is not above HP. If it is above HP, you will get this one. If it is on HP means you will get this one. Why? Because there is no distance, there is no height from the horizontal plane to the A1 point, capital A1 point. That's why you got front view on XY line. Top view as usual with some distance. Same third condition, the point is in the VP, means front view you will get as usual A dash with some height 20 or 30. But if you observe top view, that is small a, you will get on XY line. Top view you will get on XY line. That's why see the difference. Now the second condition is on HP. The point is on HP. Means on the HP you will get the front view. Point is on the VP. The point is on the VP. That's why you are getting on the VP. Above what we have? VP na? Above we have VP. That's why you got A dash above. On the HP. HP where it will start from here means here. Is on the HP. These are the simple logics. Once if you observe clearly the question, if it is on the HP or above the HP or above the XY line or in front of VP or in front of XY line, okay, below XY line, those conditions if you observe clearly, it's very easy. That's why I have given some cases also in the Google Classroom in the projection of point time. I was uploaded the projection of points assignment questions, same as this. I have forwarded, I have uploaded the cases of the points in the fourth quadrant system. If you observe that, it's enough. Everything you can solve. Okay. Now on the same quadrant system, I am showing everything same here. Now it is having above distance and in front distance. You will get the diagram like this. If it is only on the HP, you will get on HP front view, top view as usual with some distance. If it is in the VP, you will get front view in the VP with some distance and top view on XY line. If it is on both reference lines, A dash and A is on XY line. Okay, this is first quadrant system. Second quadrant system also you can try same as it is. Okay. Next, same case for the point lines. For the lines, if you observe, but lines we are considering only first angle projection. But for the practice, we will give first, second, and third angle projection. Okay. For the practice purpose means if you practice second angle projection, automatically you will get some idea. Okay, that's why only. Okay, now already you know this. This is your VP, this is your HP. Okay, this is your reference line XY. Okay, here always you have to rotate the horizontal plane clockwise direction 90 degrees. Already you know that. Okay. Now, see same conditions I am applying here for the point. Sorry, for the line. How you will define the line? If you join two points, if you join 2 points with the uh, shortest distance, if you join the 2 points in the shortest distances, means you will get a straight line. Maybe it is inclined, vertical, or horizontal, whatever it is, you will get the straight line. Okay, that's why projection of straight lines. Our topic is projection of straight line. Now, first condition, line is parallel to both. Always you have to remember first this one only. Line parallel to both. Front view also you will get horizontal line. Top view also you will get horizontal line. These two are the projectors. Already you know this. These end points. From the end points you will draw the projectors. This is your first case. Whenever the line is parallel to both VP and HP. Okay. Same case, same first angle projection. Line is perpendicular to HP. Line is perpendicular to HP. If you see from the top view, you will get the dot. Okay. Which one is visible first? B end. End B is visible. That's why B upon A or B comma A. Okay. Next, if you see from the front view, what you will get from the front view? Just I am extending it. What you will get in the front view? Vertical line. Okay. A dash and B dash. Okay. If it is perpendicular to HP, you will get top view as a dot. If it is perpendicular to VP like this, front view as a dot you will get. Already know it. Okay. That's why I am not repeating these conditions. Then just observe the conditions. Already last time we discussed these conditions. All these 8 conditions already we discussed. First condition is, or we can say orientations or cases. Line parallel to both horizontal HP and vertical plane. Horizontal plane and vertical plane. Okay. Horizontal plane and vertical plane means this is the first condition. Okay. Next, the second condition, line perpendicular to HP, automatically it is parallel to VP. And you have to observe here, always this sentence, okay, that's parallel to VP. Sometimes they may give, they won't give. They may give, they may not give. But because whenever the line is perpendicular, by default, it is parallel to the VP. We don't have other option. We have another option that is nothing but incline. Incline to VP also. Nothing but ninth point. Okay, line inclined to both the planes. If that is the case, definitely they will give inclination. They won't say simply the line perpendicular HP. If it is perpendicular, automatically parallel to VP. Means any one reference plane. Line perpendicular VP, automatically parallel to HP. Those two conditions also we discuss. This is perpendicular to HP, automatically it is parallel to the VP. Now this one is perpendicular to VP, parallel to HP. Okay, this is our condition. Next, fourth condition. Line inclined to HP, automatically it is parallel to VP. In these 4 conditions, 2, 3, 4, 5, definitely it is parallel to any one reference plane. Because initially they will give HP means VP parallel. A VP means HP parallel, even though if it is perpendicular or even though it is inclined. Okay, now fourth point, line inclined to HP and parallel to the VP. Line inclined to the HP, first quadrant system only, okay? Line inclined to the HP means AB, how much inclination? Theta, okay? If you see from the front view, you will get one inclined line, okay, with some inclination, that is theta. You project projection lines, okay. These corner project here, this one will project somewhere here. So you will get this line, means A, B, this A dash, B dash. If you draw on XY line, you will get inclined line with some theta inclination, and you will draw the projectors from both ends. Don't forget to draw the projectors from the both ends. This is the main important point. Okay, then draw the top view. But actually, what is the procedure we discussed in the previous class means, first you have to identify this distance, nothing but starting point of the line in the front view. Front view distance means top view distance also. Suppose this is 30, means starting point of the top view, starting point of the line in the top view. Then you can draw 30 degrees and 40 degrees inclination line, draw a projector, you can join these two, you will get the two views. This is your front view, nothing but your true length, TL. This is your top view, that's it. So not true length, automatically it will reduce. Suppose this inclined line, this front view is suppose 50 mm. This won't be 50 mm. It will less than 50, means 42 or 43 you will get. Okay, this is inclined to HP. Inclined to VP, inclined to VP condition, again, line inclined to VP means you will draw like this. Now this is your parallel line to this T phi, okay, this capital A, this capital B. Okay, if you observe, the line is inclined to the VP. Now you can clearly observe that this inclination, whenever this line, suppose if you extend this line like this, it will be having some inclination with the HP. Whenever the line is inclined to the respective plane, means here it is HP, inclined to the respective plane, you can't see the inclination in that particular respective plane. You will get the inclination in opposite plane. Now see here, the line is inclined to the HP, but where you are getting? In the VP. Okay, line is inclined to the HP, but it is in the VP. You are showing in the VP. Why? Because this inclination you can't see from the top view. You will get only line in the top view, horizontal line. In the front view, you will get some inclined line. If it is inclined, whenever we can say inclined, automatically it is having some angle. That is nothing but theta. Okay. Now here, if you observe here, the line is inclined to the VP. If it is inclined to the VP, in the front view you will get the line. In the top view you will get the inclined line. Okay. These were projections. Okay. Horizontal line, your distance in the top view, inclined, projectors, and your front view. This is having some phi angle. Now you can see here. What is this? HP. On the HP, what you got? Top view. On the VP, what you will get? Front view. Now, this front view is not a true length. This is not a true length. This inclined length, this is your top view. Top view is your true length. Okay. But where you are seeing this inclination on the HP. But in the question, the line is inclined to the VP. But you can't see that inclination in the VP. You will get that inclination. You can see that inclination on the HP, or you can see that inclination from the top view only, not from the front view. That's why it is from the top view. That's why you are getting on the HP. If it is with the HP means front view, in the front view you can see the inclination. That's why on VP. Okay. This is second clarity. Line is inclined to the VP and inclined to the HP. Next, line situated, line situated on HP, line situated on VP. Means line is on the VP or line is in the VP or line is lying on the VP or lying on the HP. Whatever it is. Okay. But same as our point case. Whenever the point is on the HP, where you are getting that point is on the HP. Suppose this point on the HP, this is A. If we see from the front view, this A dash you will get on XY line. Okay. Top view you will get with some distance. This point. So if you join this point with the two ends, A and B, this is your line. Where is the line? Line is on HP. Where you will get the front view? Front view on XY line. Same on XY line. Where you will get top view? On HP. That's why if you rotate on XY line, you will get A dash and B dash with some length. This is your front view, that to true length. A top view with some distance from the VP, you will get this top view. Now this top view also true length now. Why? Because the line is parallel to the both HP and VP. But it is not above HP, it is on the HP, but line is parallel. Now you can observe here. This capital AB is parallel to the VP and parallel to the HP. But parallel to the HP, but where it is? With zero distance from the HP, means on the HP. Okay? Same line is in the VP. You will get front view here as A dash and B dash, top view on XY line. AB. Already we discussed in the point case. Same, in the place of point, you are drawing the line. Okay? This is another condition. What is that? Line is situated, or line is lying, or line is on, or line is in. Everything is same. Okay? Sixth and seventh conditions. Okay? Eighth condition. Line situated on both VP and HP. Same as our point case. Line is, sorry, one more we will take. Point is on both reference planes. Means here. Line is on both reference plane. A dash. If it is, point. If it is line means B dash. Okay. If you see from the front view or if you see from the top view also, same area means on same XY, you will get the front view and top view. So this is your reference line. This is your VP. On VP you will get front view. Okay. This is your HP. On HP you will get top view. Okay. But in this case, line is situated or placed in the both quadrants. Line is situated in both quadrants or lying in both quadrants. Means front view also you will get here, and top view also you will get here. A dash and B dash. And top view is AB. That is our eighth condition. Next, last condition. Line inclined to both reference planes. How it will be? Line inclined to both reference planes. How it will be means, because if you observe, line inclined to both the HP and VP such that theta plus pi less than or equal to 90 degrees. Theta pi less than or equal to 90 degrees. Sir, what is this theta and pi? Don't ask like that. Theta is with respect to HP inclination, pi is with respect to VP inclination. Already you know it. Okay? Theta means with the HP inclination. Pi means with the VP inclination. Okay? Now if you observe here, the line is inclined to both HP and VP. The line is inclined both HP and VP. How the line will be? Now, observe everyone. Now, if you observe here, the line, okay, Suppose the line is parallel to the VP means to your screen. Line is parallel to the HP also. Okay? Line is parallel to the VP and parallel to the HP. Then next condition, line perpendicular to HP means you will rotate like this, perpendicular to your keyboard. Perpendicular to VP means initially you have to assume that line is parallel to both. If it is perpendicular to VP, you have to rotate like this. Okay. Next, line is inclined to the HP. Where is the HP? At the bottom. Here HP means horizontal plane, keyboard area. You have to rotate. You have to move one point towards the HP. Then if you move one point towards the HP, now this is your inclination. Because here one plane, horizontal plane. If you observe this inclination, it is theta angle. How you will say theta? It is inclined to the HP. Now this is HP plane. For HP plane, it is making some inclination. So if you observe, this is your horizontal plane. Now this is your line, incline. Now if you observe this inclination is your theta with respect to HP. Okay. Now line is like this. First, initially, line is parallel to the HP, parallel to the VP. Then one end you are rotating like this. Now line is inclined to the HP. But where is this point? 20 mm above HP. That's why I told you that first you have to identify initial position or starting point of the line in the front view. Same distance. See if you, from the screen how much distance it is. Suppose 20. That 20 mm we have to identify. Means initial means starting point of the line in the top view. Okay. Then, sir, how the line is inclined to both HP and VP. Now, line is parallel to VP and parallel to HP. Draw it first. Then, line is inclined to HP. Rotate A point towards the HP. Next, it is inclined to the VP also. It is inclined to the VP also means now this end is fixed, this end is movable. Okay, this end is fixed, this end is movable. Now this line is parallel to the VP. Now what they are saying, it is inclined to the VP also. Now if it is parallel, if I move this point towards the observer, suppose if you observe this line is parallel to my eyes. Okay, this is exactly parallel to my eyes. Means parallel to the VP. Now this end A is fixed, this end B is movable now. Now how I want to rotate this B point towards the observer. Now I am rotating it. Now if you observe, this point is having inclination with the VP also. Now it is having inclination with the VP also. Okay, keep one pen or pencil, whatever it is. Hold on your hands and suppose assume that one end is A, one end is B. Okay. Then one end is moving towards the horizontal plane. Okay, you are fixing this end with the left hand, and this end, the point B point is you are moving towards the observer, means towards the observer, towards you, not towards the screen, towards the observer. When you observe towards the observer, then it will be having some inclination with the VP also. Initially it is parallel. Now whenever it is changed slightly, automatically it will make the inclination with the VP. Okay. That's why first what you have to do means simple conditions you have to draw first. Suppose simple conditions. First I am considering it, line is inclined to the HP. First condition, line is inclined to the HP. Why I am saying this one is, if you solve this problem with this method, it's very easy. Okay, so the line is inclined to the VP, means it is having some inclination with the, sorry, inclined to the HP. Front view, what you will get? Inclined line. Top view will get as a straight line. Okay. Now, if you open it, what you will get here? Line starts from here in the front view with some inclination. What is that inclination? Suppose theta, okay, with 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, next, from this end, you are drawing one projector. From this end, you are drawing one projector. From here, you are drawing the line, it will intersect here. This is your A dash, this is your B dash. This is A and this is B. Okay, up to here, you know everyone. Now, what is this? A dash, B dash is the front view or true length of the line. Clearly observe the sentence. Front view or true length of the line in the front view when the line is makes inclination with the HP. Now this is your top view. Okay. When the line is making inclination with the HP, this is your top view. Okay. Next, same way, if you draw line is inclined to the VP. Inclined to the VP means this is horizontal line. This is having theta. This is capital A, capital B. In the front view, you will get the straight line. In the top view, you will get the inclined line. Okay. Now, if you draw general method, you will start the starting point first in the front view and starting point of the line in the top view. So this is your A dash, this is your A. Now what is that? Line is inclined to the VP. Inclined to the VP means that inclination you can see from the top view, not from the front view. Then you have to start from here. Sir, why we have to start from here? Why can't we start from A dash? But from A dash, you will draw one line. But what is the length of the line? You don't know. That's why I told you A dash, B dash is your front view, nothing but your true length of the line. That inclined line having 50 mm. What about this AB? It is not 50, it's reduced. But that value is not given in the question. In the question they have given line length is 50. This A dash, B dash length is 50. That's why first you have to draw the inclined line in this case. Now here, inclined line with 30 or 40 degrees inclination. Okay. Next, draw the projector from this end, from the B end. It will intersect somewhere here. This is your B dash. Now, this is your front view. But you can't say it's a true length. It's just a front view of the line when the line makes inclination with the VP. Okay. This is your top view. This is your top view. Okay. Top view and true length also. Because this AB is 50 means automatically 50 you will get. There is your A dash, B dash and AB. The line is making inclination with the HP. Here this condition, the line is inclined with the VP. Now suppose they have given the inclination of the line for the both reference planes from the HP and VP. How to solve the drawing? How to solve the question? Now see here the question. Observe clearly or write down, you can write down the question. The line AB having 50 mm length, the line AB having 50 mm length. I will ask you to show the question. Roll number wise, I will ask anyone randomly, I will pick the roll numbers. I will tell you to open your screen and you have to show the question also. Okay, that's why better write down. The line AB, a line AB having 50 mm length, the line AB having 50 mm length, okay. And line A means one of its end, line end A means one of its end, A, capital A, is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. 20 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. Here no need to write in front of VP above HP. We have some symbols now, use it. Parallel, perpendicular symbols that you can use. Okay. The line A is 20 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. 20 mm, 30 mm. Till now they are not discussed about the inclination. Then the line A makes 30 degrees inclination with the HP. Line A makes 30 degrees inclination with the HP. Draw its projections. Draw its projections. When the line AB makes 45 degrees inclination with the VP. 30 degrees with the HP and 45 degrees with the VP. The line AB makes 45 degrees inclination with the VP. Draw its projections. That is the question. Means directly they have given inclination with respect to the HP and VP. Inclination with respect to the HP and VP. But how to solve it? For your understanding purpose only I am saying. Okay. But this is not the way to solve. See here. Line, first condition, line is inclined to HP. I will draw one line. Observe carefully. I will draw one line. Okay. Then I will find out I'll draw the line. Then I will find out the location of the point or starting point of the line in the front view. How much that A point having 20 mm above HP. Okay. And then 30 mm in front of VP. Now go with the dimensions. Now how much? 20 mm above HP means you have to find out the location first. If you locate the point, means starting point of the line in the front view and the top view, automatically you can complete the question. Now, this point is your starting point of the line in the front. This point is starting point of the line in the top. Nothing but this is your, what is this? This is your A dash. This is your A dash. Okay. Whatever this is your A. That's why we are saying this point is starting point of the line in the front view. Front view always you will get A dash. This starting point of the line in the top view, nothing but A. Next, already I told you in the previous class, if it is horizontal, vertical or inclined, we can draw from here only. Now, what is the condition? Line is makes 30 degrees inclination with the HP and it is having 50 mm length, means 50 mm length. How much inclination? 30 mm length and 30 degrees inclination. This is my front view. Then from this end point B, I will draw one projector, rough line. Then from the point A, from the point A, I will draw a horizontal line. Okay. Then I will erase the excess lines. Unwanted portion I will remove. Okay. This is my line inclined to HP condition. Already you know this method. Line is inclined to HP. Line inclined to HP. This B dash. Is B. Okay. Next, same question, the same height. Okay, same question, same height. Line is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Ravi, తర్వాత మాట్లాడండి. Okay, now line is inclined to the VP, means you can see that inclination in the HP. That's why you have to start from here. How much inclination it is? The line length is 50. Okay. Angle is 40, suppose 40 degrees, or 45 means 45 you can take 40 degrees. Okay. Now this is my line, and I want to draw one projector upward direction, and then I will close the line from here horizontally, and I will go for removal of excess material, excess line. This is my, what is my text? This is my A dash, okay. This is my A dash, this is my B dash, okay. This is my B, this is my A, okay. Same dimensions, 20 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP, 50 mm line, but makes 40 degrees inclination with the VP, but in the first case, 30 degrees inclination with the HP. Now see here, simple method, just I will select all this, okay, go for copy option, I will select this point and I will place it here, first condition. Next, I will select this total one, okay, go for copy option, pick the point and place it here. Okay, this is the combination question. Actually, we did separately, inclined to HP condition separate, inclined to VP condition separate, then we have drawn this. But this is for initial position only. We are not solving this diagram like this. This is for your better understanding purpose. Otherwise, whenever you don't know the question, how to solve, suppose you are getting some confusion, then you can solve up to this. At least they will give 50% marks. Okay. Next, what else? In the question is still pending. The question is AB line length 50 mm. The A point is 20 mm of HP, 30 mm in front of VP, and it makes 30 degrees with the HP inclination and 40 degrees with the VP inclination. That is our condition. But simple, whatever they have given in the question, you have drawn. But what you have to identify, what you have to find in this, you have to find in this the final front view and final top view. Okay, the final front view of the line, the final front view of the line, or final front view of the, sorry, final top view of the line, means final front view, final top view you have to draw. Why? Because this middle, this inclination is belongs to 30 degrees only with respect to HP. Okay, whatever this degree, this line is 40 degrees inclination with respect to the VP only. But what is our condition? The line is makes angle with both reference planes, 30 degrees and 40 degrees. Then how it will be, how it look like, that you have to draw. Now if you draw this one, this total I am showing here with some colors, suppose it is red. Okay, I will show total with a red color. Why? Because the total object is the total front view, side views, everything, front view, top view, everything belongs to HP, 30 degrees inclination. Whatever these three, and here this vertical line also, those are belongs to VP only. But what they asked, the line is inclined to VP and HP both. Then find out the inclination. Find out the inclination. Final inclination of the line and final front view of the line and final top view of the line. Then what you have to do? Yes, you have to draw the line. Just take one line command, use line command, draw from each and every end point of the line. Each and every end point of the line, draw one line. Okay. From here also, draw one line. Okay. From here also draw one line. From here also draw one line. What is this line? This line is focus of the locus of the B in the front view. This is locus of line in the front view. Which front view? Locus of B point. See here. Now this is your B line, B dash line. That's why this is B point locus line. Means B point locus line. Where it is? Above XY line means front view. That's why we said it. Locus of B in the front view. Like that, we will get 4 locus lines. Okay. Say, select this, go for copy, take this and place it somewhere. Place it somewhere here. Okay. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now you can tell me. Now first one I told you that locus of B in the front view. Why I said like that? The line belongs to the B end of the end point of the line B. Okay. That's why we are saying locus of B in the front view. Now it is locus of
A.
A. This is locus of A. Okay. Now we got the point. Locus of A in the front view only. Why? Because always above XY line you have front view. Okay. Next, what will be this one? Locus of
B in top view.
See clearly. Locus of
B in top view.
no. B is at the bottom.
A in top view.
Yes. Locus of A in the top view. Okay. Now this one is locus of B in the top view. Okay. That's why you will get the 4 locus points. Sir, what these locus points? So how we can identify these locus points? Nothing but see if you observe here. If you observe. Now what I said, the point A is fixed. Okay, point A is fixed. Point B is movable. Now this line is inclined to the HV. When you have to make incline to the VP, you have to rotate this end towards the observer. Okay. For this, best example is I think pen stand. In olden days, we will get one pen stand. That pen nib having ball shape arrangement at the bottom, you can rotate that pen in 360 degrees. I think you guess it. Okay, you can imagine. If you imagine that point, the A point is fixed here, B point we are rotating. How we are rotating? 360 degrees. How we are rotating? 360 degrees. Why? Because we rotated that line into 45 degrees or 40 degrees. Means we are rotating 360 degrees. When you rotate this 360 degrees, are you moving this point towards the downside? No, you are not moving this point towards the downward direction. This point is fixed. If you want to rotate means it will rotate like this only. Okay, it won't move downward direction. It won't rotate. Means whenever this point is rotating, observe this point movement in the top view. Okay, this point movement from the top view, if you observe, you will get like a circle. Okay, suppose this end is fixed, this end is movable. If you rotate this point, okay, if you see the top view, the point moves in a circular fashion. Okay, that's why if you want to identify that line, that circular portion where it is rotating, we have to draw one reference line. That is our locus line. Okay. Now you can observe, keep this pen at the bottom like this and move the pen like this, 360 degrees. It will shows like a circular fashion. Okay. It will move in a circular fashion. That circular fashion where it is moving means we need one reference line. That reference line is our locus line. Okay. What is the use of this locus line? Now if you observe, what is the use of this locus line? Means after making these locus lines from each and every point means you will get two locus lines in the front view, two locus lines in the top view. One is belongs to A, one is belongs to B in the front view. One is to A, one is belongs to A, one is belongs to B in the top view. Okay, in the front view A location, B location. In the top view A location, locus line and B locus line. Then what is the use of this locus line means whenever you are rotating your line inclined to the VP, you need final inclination. Final inclination of the line. For that purpose, suppose for example, just extend this line, okay, B line, and here also extend this B line, okay, up to here. Okay, next, go for arc method or circle method, what it is. Center start end method. Center is your A dash is your center. B dash is your radius and draw the arc. Okay. A dash as center, B dash as a radius, draw an arc. Or you can draw directly circle. Select center and radius method. Center is A dash, radius is A B dash, A dash B dash. Now it will intersect somewhere here. Select the line command, draw one line from this point to this point. This is your final inclination of the line with respect to front view. Final inclination of the line in the front view. Now if you measure this inclination will change. 41. Okay. Then erase this circle. I'm sorry, don't erase. Go for trim. Okay. Because we need the circle up to here. Means this arc we need. Okay. This is our final front view. Final front view. Same way you have to draw at the bottom also. Take the arc method or circle method. Center and radius. Center is your A. Okay. Starting point is your B. A, B as the radius, A as center, draw one circle. Okay. Then draw a line from A to this intersection point on the locus. This is your final top view of the line. When the line is makes inclination with the both HP and VP. Okay. Both HP and VP inclination. When it will makes inclination, this is your final. Okay, this is your final diagram. This is your final. What they will ask in the question? They will ask, find out the final length or final front view length, line length. Okay, or final top view length. Final top view length. Or they can say final inclination with the HP, this 48, this is 41. Now see this, what we discussed here, whenever the line inclined to both reference plane, the theta and pi, what is the theta and pi? Theta is our inclination with the HP, pi is inclination with the VP. It is less than or equal to 90. Now it's 30 and 40, you will get 70. And whatever these two, if you observe is 89. Whatever this angle, alpha and beta. This 41 we can say alpha, this 48 we can say beta. Based on this, they will form the question. Based on this diagram, they will form the question. Once again, I will repeat in the next class. and we will go with the type of conditions, how they will form the question. Means in a different way they will form the question. But finally, what you have to find out, you have to draw this, and you have to find out final front view, final top view of the line, and final inclination with the VP, final inclination with the HP. Including this, we have some more conditions. Those conditions we will discuss later. Now you know how to draw this diagram. First, I drawn separately inclination with the HP, separately inclination with the VP. Then I joined these two, and then I got A dash, B dash. With this A dash, B dash radius, A dash as a center, I draw one arc. It will intersect this locus of B in the front view. Okay. Now this is your B dash. This is your B1 dash. That I will discuss later. Okay. Next, same in the top view also. I taken AB length as a radius and A as center. I draw one arc. That arc intersect this locus of B in the top view. Okay. That intersection point to A, I will join one line. That is my final inclination of the line in the top view. These green color lines are final front view and final top view. Okay. These 41 degrees and 48 degrees are final inclination with the HP, final inclination with the VP. Okay. The inclination will change. And these are the locus lines. Locus of B in the front view, locus of A in the front view. Why? Because above XY line you will get only front view. So say both are front view only. But this line, this locus belongs to B, this locus belongs to A. Same way you have to draw here also. Okay. Now this is our final diagram. This way you have to draw the diagram. Okay. This is a basic step. But how to solve in a different manner, we'll discuss. Okay. Later we will discuss. Once again, I will draw this in the next class, and I will explain different ways to solve. Okay. Be online. We don't have options. Okay. Be online. I will take the attendance. Only 61 students are present. Roll number 1, again he is absent. Today he present. Last class he was absent. 11, 12, 13 absent. (27) absent. (49) absent. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 61. 61 are present. Okay, 5 minutes. Please give me attendance once again. Please respond. I am calling the absentees. Roll number 1, roll number 13. Okay, roll number 27. Roll number 27. Roll number 49. Okay, 4 members, 61 present, total 65. Okay, roll number 1, 13, 27, and 47. Sorry, 27 and 49 are absent. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave the class. Sorry, I will leave the class. Maybe some other person having the class. Okay. Are you having any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Definitely you will get the doubts in next class. Why? Because I will explain in other ways how to solve it. This is simple diagram, simple conditions I have given. Means both the inclinations they have given. Sometimes they won't give both inclination. How to solve it? Okay. Next class we will discuss. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.